All right, just about every cryptocurrency from Ripple to Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, they've faced an uphill battle with traditionalists. And I'm talking about bankers and market regulators. But the guys simply trying to launch crypto ETFs and funds have gotten the most bloodied. Multiple funds, including the famed Winklevoss twins, who for years now have had their ETF proposal flat out rejected by the SEC. But not our next guest. He and his fund are closer than anyone right now to becoming reality. Gabor Gurbacs is leading the Bitcoin charge at VanEck MVIS Digital Asset Strategies with something called the Solid X Bitcoin ETF. And he joins us in a Fox Business exclusive. What do you mean? How close are you?
That's it, Liz. So we are, I don't know exactly how close we are, but we are the closest that we can be. It is very clear to me that America wants a Bitcoin ETF, and we are here to build it. So we are waiting for regulatory feedback and hoping that we get the thumbs up.
America is maybe acting like a kid on Halloween, wants to eat all its candy all day long, but it's not going to get it. What America wants is not necessarily what the Securities and Exchange Commission is going to do. Let's be clear right now. Here's why you are close. The SEC has information now. And what you're saying is we have an ETF that is what? It's physically backed by what?
Yes, it's physically backed by Bitcoin. It is an insured ETF. It's priced by a regulated pricing source by MVIS, which is our subsidiary, and it fits into the United States capital markets and regulatory system. So we are waiting for the sign of approval for this ETF because it meets every requirement that a commodity type of fund would need.
This could really mark a precedent if you and your ETF are accepted. But I'm not sure that that is going to get the whole world on board. Now, we just had Mike Novogratz, whom you know, and he is Mr. Bitcoin. He's such the bull. Here's what he said is what it'll really take to get Bitcoin going. And he was right here in that seat last week.
I would bet first or second quarter. I mean, we had Goldman Sachs talk about being involved. Fidelity just announced that they're getting into custody. That starts in January. ICE has a company called Bakkt, you know, the big exchange company. That starts in December. And so we made an investment in a company called BitGo with Goldman that does security. So all the pillars that you need for institutions to come in are being put in place.
What he's saying is you need the Fidelities and the Vanguards of the world to get in first. Do you agree with that?
Well, I agree with Mike. We have proper custody solutions out there. We have proper pricing. Futures contracts are trading. Institutions like VanEck, who have built the first gold fund in the United States, it's the first international stock mutual fund in the world, are in this game and trying to bring something to markets. We have the right institutions and we have the right market structure, so it's time to give America what it wants, a Bitcoin ETF.
So when you have Jamie, and I don't know if we can show that video again, but he was talking at an Axios conference, and that's where he was asked about Bitcoin, and he said, I don't give an S about it. He really has called it a fraud in the past. Then he said he regretted that. Warren Buffett and Warren Buffett's vice chair have said on our show right here that Bitcoin is rat poison. To that you say, on Bitcoin's 10th birthday, of it being put out there anonymously on a white paper, what do you say?
Well, I say that Bitcoin is digital gold, and we should not dismiss a potential opportunity for the next financial system. America has led the charge in building what's known today as the most robust capital market system, and we have the opportunity to potentially participate in the new one. And I believe that Bitcoin and other digital assets have a role in it. So it's time to take Bitcoin and digital assets seriously and integrate it into the capital markets. We have offered a potential solution here, and I'm hoping that talent and innovations like what we have put forward do not have to leave America.
Well, if the VanEck Solid X Bitcoin fund goes through, the entry point is 25 Bitcoins. And you can do the math because it's at $6,300 per Bitcoin. Good to see you, Gabor.
Yeah, well, good to see you.
Come back when, not if, when you get approval.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay. You're going to come to us first, right?
Certainly.
That's what we want to hear, because it's going to be a very big deal on Bitcoin's 10th birthday.